Alright, we're back to reading this again. This is volume 4. I have no idea where we left off, but we'll start out with this book here. The Flux Traverse volume 4. Death Cult. That's what it's called. Flux Traverse volume 4. Death Cult. Alright. They went back to Cake Town after the Forest of Nymphs, and this was way after the bear fight against the bear who turned out to be a communist. And I'm glad I got rid of that bear. I fought the bear and won. So, I won it fair and square. Now, let's read. Then back in Cake Town. There, we're back in town. Finally enough with the magic forest nonsense about nymphs in the forest of whatever. But where's my ice truck, man? Oh, by the way, they're trying to find the ice cream truck, but still can't figure out where it is. Let me reread this again. Back in Cake Town. There, we're back in Cake Town. Finally, enough with the magic forest nonsense. But where's my ice truck, man? Yeah, I want ice cream, says Roger the dinosaur. And I said, well, Bubba the hippie named Bubba, has stolen it, so we got to find him first. But where is Bubba the hippie? He could be anywhere, man. He should be somewhere around these streets. Just be patient, Tyrone. Okay. Then Roger the dinosaur finds the ice cream truck they were actually looking for. Hey! Is that your ice cream truck, Tyrone? Okay. Oh my God, Roger, thank you so much! I'll teach that Bubba hippie ass a lesson, man. I drink some water, man. All right. Teach that hippie named Bubba a lesson. Not to steal my ice cream truck, man. But the door was locked. Hey, it's locked, man. What are those hippies doing in there? Oh no, there was sex! I had sex in my ice cream truck! The fuck I hate these damn hippies! Corey, we need to get in, but the door is locked! I think you know what to do! Sure, I'll bust the door open with my huge muscles, big muscles. Then in the ice cream truck, that sex was all just groovy, baby. Groovy, baby. Yeah, whatever. That's $100 BJ. I don't agree with this. This is grape. I'll call the cops. Hey! You need to pay up. We're not cheap here, but we're a bunch of prostitutes. I'm not paying. I have no money. But want to know what's better than cash or money? Honey? Nothing is better than cash. I mean, nothing. Stupid. Nothing is better than cash. Now give us money now. No, it's not. No, it's not. Nothing. What's better than money is ice cream. I got ice cream. We're in an ice cream truck. You want some ice cream? Then the door gets slammed down. Bang! Bust through that door. All right. All right, you dumb humpies. All right, you dumb hippies. Sex orgy is over. You stole my friend Tyrone Oscar truck. Now lay off the hoochie mama hookers and prostitutes and leave and nobody gets hurt. Yeah, I want my Oscar truck back, man. Yay! Yay! Finally, we're rescued. No more ugly dudes fucking us. Finally, some real heroes to save us. Shit! You can go home now, girls. Thank you so much. All the girls kissed Corey as they left the ice cream truck to go safely back home, while some were dumb enough to go back to their pimps. How come Corey gets kissed by chicks and I don't? I'm a hero too, says Tyrone Easter Bunny. And and I already have a girlfriend. Shut up, Tyrone. Shut up, Tyrone. Yeah. Now get your naked hippie ass out of my friend Tyrone's ice cream truck now. Well, I found it, man, first. It's finders keepers, losers weepers, man. It's mine, I found it first. It's my shit because I found it. No, it is not yours. It's mine, it belonged to me. You stole it, Bubba. Well, I found it. It's mine to begin with. My hippie van got old and broke down. I need a new one, so I stole this pimped out sweet ice cream truck. So it's mine. Don't make me shoot my gun. Hey, peace, man, peace. I don't want any trouble, man. Shut up, and leave my friend's ice cream truck alone. You can't be stealing ice cream trucks. But I want my hippie van back. I miss my hippie van. Stop calling my ice cream truck a hippie van. It's an ice cream truck, damn it. No, hippie van. Get out of my friend's ice cream truck now and stop coming by us. We're not your friends. Besides, being a hippie is getting real old. You're not in the old 70s era. This is the year 2024. I thought the government got rid of you dumb hippies. Now leave. Let me drink some water again. Look, I just want my hippie van back, man. I keep telling you, it's not a damn hippie van. Man, it's not damn hippie fan now. Get on my ice cream truck. If you don't leave, we are. If you don't leave me. If you don't leave, we are a part of a cult. We sacrifice to you to our God Zolphilus. I suggest if you value your soul's energies and don't want to die, you better leave now. So best be packing. Look, I want peace, man. No blood, vengeance, violence. No blood or violence, man. I stand for peace, man. I'm a hippie. Yeah. Need peace, man. Peace. We all need peace. No peace. No peace. Peace ain't reality. We need freedom more than peace. And freedom is some more. Take a breather. And freedom is something worth fighting for. I prefer violent freedom over peaceful slavery. And Bubba, you're a slave. But blood and violence is gory and gross, man. That's a game. No pain, no gain. The battlefield is full of blood. And the battle is where life and death meet. But life is sacred, right? No, it's not. Do you believe in God or the afterlife? Oh, wait, you're just a hippie. God hates you. Please stop it. Bubba, just leave, man. You ain't my friend. So get the hell out of my ice cream truck. This seems like some radar 300 movie nonsense, but that's a great movie. Damn, Corey, you're like Conan the Barbarian, but more modern, man. Listen, listen, you're a hippie. I am a warrior. What are you, son? You're a nothing.